Hey everyone, today we are creating Apple's stunning liquid glass button in Figma in just 1 minute. So let's go. First, start by typing get started on the canvas. Place an arrow icon beside it, select both text and arrow and hit Shift plus A to auto frame them. Now, give it some padding. I'm using 20 pixels horizontally and vertically. Feel free to tweak this to your design. Next, give a button a white fill color, scroll down to Effect, click the drop down under Shadow, you can select Glass and boom, the frosted glass effect is here. Now, round the corners, I'm setting corner radius to 20px. If your text feels off, adjust the width of the button or center line everything again. Let's enhance the glass look. Open the glass effect setting and now play around. So change the angle to control the light direction and you can adjust the refraction for more depth and you can tweak the dispersion to spread the light. Play with the intensity, that's the light sun icon, to boost the shine. Move the button around the screen, see that slick Apple style glass shine. And just like that, your liquid glass button is ready in Figma. So like, share and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.